This is me kapag walang filter. Ayan. Morena ba? Or talagang negrita? So, iinom ako ng Paragis by Chef Ibis. So, I included it to one of my vitamins also. So, I will drink na. Tan, taran, tan, taran, tan, tan. Medyo kailangan pa siyang i-press ng ganyan para mabuksan. So, iniinom ko to pagkatapos kumain. Tinatry ko muna itong Paragis with moringa and guyabano. Since hindi ko pa na-try itong isa, itong Paragis Gold. Since I was first timer, so ito muna yung ininom ko siya for cleansing. So that was it guys.